Enter Beneteau. Catalina. No, I don't want to see Catalina. Ooh, let's see if I know anybody at Beneteau. Carrie, I miss you. I wish you were here. Darn. I think it's about 2 o'clock. They closed today at 5. And,
That's important.
let's see here. Beneteau 40, 37. Oh, come on. They must have one bigger than this. Oh, I'm on the wrong pier. What's this? 43. That's pretty nice. Ah, it's the new model with the arch. I definitely want to check out that one. Hi.
How are you?
Great. How are you? I'd like to